Hi, Freehand Made here. Alright, so as promised, here is the video of the gardens. I'm going to do these in mini sections, and then after each section I'm going to post photos with that video clip for each section, just so I can keep this video short and not so long. This is the main garden right here. Let's go take a look and see what work I have cut out for me. Alright, first issue is the cement blocks have moved around, obviously to expansion and whatnot. And so now I can't get this door all the way open. So I got to come up with a solution to that because I need room to get all this vegetation out of here. Follow me. Now, some of these beds you can't see in here. My husband's going to do a quick scan for you. So the first step is done. I was able to identify where all the beds are. There are 14 boxed beds in here with this black stuff, which I don't really know what this is used for, so you all please comment and educate me. Then there is a resin bed, very narrow, the whole lining of this fence, which obviously was built to keep deer out. Now, this section right here has one rose bush on it. This is a rose bush. This is the one exception my father-in-law has, that this rose bush has to stay. So I need to learn how to make this rose bush healthy and vibrant for him. The rest can come out. Now on this back wall for this raised bed, that was trees, certain trees that were planted on purpose by our late mother-in-law, Dottie. And that was primarily to give the deer something to eat. She loved deer, and she liked them being able to feed on something besides her vegetation. The area that I'm standing in now, these beds are full of strawberries. They come back every year. This garden has not been tended to, I would say probably 3 years, because when Dottie came down with cancer, she couldn't take care of the garden anymore, and so it started overgrowing. The strawberries has since migrated over to this other side of the garden. So they're growing wild in here, and with no tending at all, they come back every single year. And I actually have pictures of them from when we first got here at the very beginning of June, and I'll also include them in the clip. Now there's some bushes in this back corner. Those are raspberry bushes. There were some over the summer. They weren't very big. And obviously because the trees aren't as healthy as they should be, or the bushes aren't as healthy as it should be. I would like to keep the strawberries and the raspberries, but I need to keep them in one spot and not just growing all over the place. And I also need to figure out how to make those raspberry bushes healthier so we get a better fruit that comes out every year. So if you have any experience with raspberries bushes, please hit me up. And the rest of the garden, there's some metal over here, structures over here. I don't know what these are used for. I'm thinking tomatoes, I'm not sure. So I need help to figure out what those are used for, what they are. Because if it's already in here, why not go ahead and use it? You know what I mean? And then the beds, the other beds, there's 14 beds. I can grow anything else, like zucchini or something like that. So any ideas you guys can give me would be great. That is it for this garden. Now we're going to go over to garden number 2. Stop the video.